Welcome back again. Hello. In this tutorial, I will show you today how to set up schema markup for your e-commerce website using the SchemaEngine AI plugin step by step. First, go to your WordPress dashboard. Then navigate to plugins and click on add new plugin. Search for SchemaEngine powered by Radius theme. Once you find the plugin, click on install now and then activate. Along with its free version, we will install now the pro version. For this, simply click on Upload Plugin and then choose File and select Downloaded the plugin zip file and then install it manually. After installation, activate the plugin. Now from the left sidebar, open SchemaEngine AI settings. Here you can see different schema-related options like General Settings. Configure the basic plugin settings according to your website requirements. Now move to the Site Info section. Here you need to provide your website information such as website name, organization details, logo, and other important business information like price range, the telephone number, and after that address. For example, a street address, your city, region, and the postal code, along with the country name. You can also fulfill the geo coordinates and the site others info. According to it, set your opening hours and the day. For the page, you can select a page on your site where you want to show the local business metadata. It could be about page, contact page, and the etc. After that, open the social profile section. Now add your business social media profile links like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, or YouTube. These links help search engines understand your brand identity better. Next is sub-organization, where you can provide your sub-organization information to a Google Knowledge panel. After that, corporate contacts. From here, you can select your contact type and etc. For the post type mapping, you can select the product schema type for post, for example, article blog posting. And then if you want, you can enable auto-generate schema with AI based on site. Then click on Save Changes. Next, move to the product. Here, select your schema type for products. While selecting the product auto schema will support for the following plugins like WooCommerce Easy Digital Downloads, FluentCred Shortcut Download Manager, and the classified listing. Then enable auto generate if you want. Now move to the e-commerce. From here you can add e-commerce information for the schema markup. So for this, provide your brand title. Then select the identifier type, and here you can see merchant return policy, from where you can configure this for product schema markup. So select your return policy type, days, return method, return fees, and the other things as well. From the shipping details, shipping rate and destination are pulled from WooCommerce shopping zone. You can configure the delivery time by setting this, like handling time into the minimum days, into the maximum days, transit time for the minimum days and maximum days. While done, click here to save your changes. In the next, AI settings. First, enable and configure AI settings. Then set the confidence threshold, FAQ count, And if you want, you can enable auto generate for the automatically generate schema with AI based on site info and schema type settings. Next, API configuration. Select the API provider that you prefer. Let's select Google Gemini. Then provide its API key, its model number, and the max tokens. Then click Save. Last, tools. You need to enter your license key to Pro Features and Updates. Now we will learn how to use Schema Markup for WooCommerce product. In the very beginning, go to the products and then all products. Then go to the product you worked on and click on View. And here, this is the listing details page. From where you can overview. Let's back to there. Click on Edit. Here you can see the SchemaEngine AI settings. First, FAQ content. Here, this is schema. Serve for the current look. And then generate with AI option. From here, we can see there is no schema to generate. Firstly, select the schema types as auto detect AI and FAQ settings. You can select the number of FAQs that how much you want to provide or show, and from these three options you can choose any action. Let's select schema and FAQ both, then click on generate. Now let's check whether the schema markup is working correctly or not, and for this click on test on the top. While you click on test code, now Google starts analyzing the page schema. As you can see, the product schema is successfully detected. Here, you can also view valid items, warnings, and structured data details. If there are no critical errors, then your schema markup setup is successfully completed. This schema implementation helps search engines understand your WooCommerce products better and increase the chance of getting rich results in Google search. While done, click on Save Schema. Here you can see our schema is activated and the schema types are product and FAQ page. Let's move to the FAQ content, and here you can see the questions along with the AI-based answer. And under the SERP, the appearance will be displayed like this along with the heading, ratings, review, and the price. And that's how you can easily set up a schema markup for your e-commerce website using SchemaEngine AI. Thank you for watching today's tutorial.